Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play Una Mattina by Ludovico Einaudi. I'll teach this one using sheet music. I'll be pulling up each line and then I'll teach some parts hands together and some parts hands separately. So let's dive in. This one is in the key of A minor. So on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of A minor. So we're only using all of the white keys. Here is middle C as a reference point. So here is the first line. The time signature is 4 beats in a bar. I'm going to teach the first 12 bars hands together because it's just alternating hands. There are no notes that are played at the same time. So I'm going to place my third finger in my left hand on A, and in my right hand, my thumb on E. So these are going to be our starting notes. So we start with the left hand first, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's tied into the first bar. And then we have E, A, and then again A, E, A, E, A, E, A, E, B, E. Then the next bar, A, E, hold, and then B, C, E, G, B. And then we do all of that again on the next line. And then carrying on in this next bar we have F, E, A, F, E, A, E, A, F, E, A, E. So. And then the next line we have G, E, A, B, E, A, G, E, A, hold, and then we have this bit again, B, C, E, G, B, and then we go back to the A like we did at the beginning, so exactly the same, so now on the fourth line, so back to this, so F, A, F, A, F, A, E, A. And then it changes here, so we come down in the second bar, we come down to D and A, D, E, A, E, A, hold, B, C, E, G, B. The left hand comes to play this low A, and we're going to keep that A held for the whole bar. So we have A, E, A, and then the thumb A, E, A, E, A, E, A, E. So. And then the next line, so we'll just cover this next bar. So I'm going to play it from the beginning now, this first 12 bars. So this next 8 bars I'm actually going to teach hands separately. So we'll do the left hand first. So we have F, C, A, C, A, C, A, C, G, D, B, D, down to F, C, A. Then G, D, B again. And then this time it's A, E, A, not A, E, C on this next line. And then we have the, for that bit. And then back down to F's, but we have F, C, F this time. And then G, D, G. And then A, E, A. And hold the A for 2 beats. And the next line, back down to F with the A on top this time. F, C, A. And then G, D, G. And then A, E, A. And hold and linger. So I'll do all of this left hand for these 8 bars. So then the right hand of this section, we've just gone. So we have A, E, and that's tied. And then B, A, B, A, B, onto the next line, that B is tied. A, E, that E is tied. B, A, B, A, B, A, E. B, 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 C, B, onto the next line, B, A, E, and then D, and then A, E, tied, B, A, B, A, B, tied, A, E, that's tied, B, A, B, A, B, next line, A, E, B, 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 C, B, B, A, E. So I'm going to play the right hand then of these 8 bars. So I'm now going to slowly put this section hands together, and then I'll play a little bit quicker. little bit quicker. So I'm going to teach the next 16 bars, both hands again, because it's just alternating notes like what we had in the first section. So carrying on then on this next line, so we have C, G, C. C, G, C, G. And then we have G, G, B. Then on to the next line, we have almost that again, we just don't have the B at the end. And then we have C, G, C. C, G, C, G. And then up to E, the left hand, G, B. Next line, A, E, A, hold, B, C, E, G, B, and then we repeat that bar again, A, E, A. So I'll just join these 8 bars together and then we'll do the next 8 bars. Okay, so the next 8 bars, so carrying on, so we have C, E, C, and again, C, E, C, E, then the next line, move that shape down, so we have G, D, B, then the right hand move that shape down again, so we're going down in 6, so A, C, A. A, C, A, C, and then we stay on that A, C, A, C, A, C, A, hold, B, C, E, G, B. Then the next line, we have F, E, to D, we hold that D for the whole bar, D, E, A, E, A, E, A, hold that A, then this A, hold for the next 2 bars, A, E, A, thumb, A, E, A, E, A, hold. And then on to just the first bar of this next line, A, E, A, E, A, E, A, B, C, E, G, B. So I'll just play the second half of this section then. now going to play this whole section together, so the whole 16 bars. So we're going to look at the next 8 bars hands separately. So we're going to carry on in the left hand. So second bar in on this line, F, A, F, and then G, D, G, then A, and on to the next line, F, 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 G, G, A, F, F, G, G. Next line, A, B, C, F, 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 G, G, A. So in the right hand, we have A, E, B, A, B, A, B, tied, A, E, A, B, A, B, A, B. Then on to the next line, A, E, tied, E, B, 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 C, B, tied, A, E, A, B, B, and then A, tied, E, B, B, and that's tied onto the next line, into the next bar, A, E, G, B, tied, E, B, 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 C, B, B, A, So very heavy on the EA. So I'll put this slowly hands together, these 8 bars, and then I'll play it a bit quicker. a bit quicker. And then the last 7 bars, I'm going to do both hands, kind of going back to what we've done before. So we have F, E, A, E, A, F, A, F, A, E, A, and then G, E, A, B, E, A, G, E, A, B, C, E, G, B, then on to the next line. A, E, A, E, B, E, A, E, A, A, E, A, A, E, A, B, C, E, G, B, and then next line, last line, so we have F, E, A, F, E, and then G, E, A, B, B, E, A, and then slow it down, B, C, E, G, B, and then that's held into the last bar. So I'll just do this remaining section then, this ending all together. this video. If you have a request, please leave them in the comment section of this video. Also remember to like and subscribe. I've left some videos here you might like, so go and check those out. I also have a course, so if you would like to learn how to read music from scratch, go visit Bitesize Piano Course.co.uk. You can enroll and start learning. I'll see you in the next video.